So I'm making banana muffins, and the first step is to mash my bananas. Okay, let's do great. Now I'm going to mash it. When you're done mashing it, should look like this. And now we're going to pour 1
3/4
cup of flour. Now we're going to put 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're going to add 4 pinches of salt.
It's ready.
Now we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of oil. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs. Now we're going to add 1/2 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Woo! Stir until well blended. The eggs are go sloppy woppy. Now scoop them into a muffin pan. You have your cake. Now we're going to put these in the oven, bake for
10 to 12 minutes,
at
325 degrees.
Now we're going to close it. Now it's time to take them out of the oven. Let cool for 5 minutes and then enjoy.